Yes, hello. Today I'm here to show you how to unbox and to assemble the IMO machine for chalk making. The IMO machine is a machine that is used to make Dustless chalk sticks. It produces 800 chalk sticks per round or per 10 minutes. For those who order for our machines online and for those who ask for deliveries, after receiving your machine, this is the way you have to assemble it for use at home or in your factory or anywhere we're doing the chalk production business. Let's get started. Here are some of the tools that we shall have to use to assemble our machine. First of all, we shall need spanders and we shall also need a pair of tongs. Then we unbox the machine. So upon unmolding, these are the things you will see inside the machine. First of all, you will see Kisa Projects business card. You will see unmolding tray. This is the tray. After unmolding chalk, your chalk sticks will have it falling on this tray. These are the machine stands. The machine is already disassembled, so that's why we are here to show you how you can assemble it. Also, this is the machine stand. This is the machine locker. Also, these are parts of the machine stands. Then you have here the scraper. This is the scraper. You have nuts. These are nuts for tying the machine tightly or strongly. Then this is the machine. That is the machine. Then lastly, we have these machine tray holders, these ones. Now I'm going to assemble the machine. Here I get started. This is the machine. So I start with these stands. You have to make sure that the lock of the machine goes with the stand that has the locker, like this one. So now I start assembling this one, the rotating pad. So I get my stand. This is one of my stands. I press it here like this, a hole to a hole. So I get one of my rings, nuts, the long ones. These ones are like inch 50, something like inch 50, 3 inches tall. So I press it from the bottom of the machine. It has a washer, so it's better first remove the washer. I press it from the bottom of the machine, put the washer on top. Then using hands, you tie it tightly, like that. That is one. I get another one. Still I remove the washer, press it from the bottom of the machine, through this hole. I put the washer, then I tie tightly. Then you can use a nut, you can use a spanner or a pair of tongs to tie them tightly. Then you tie tightly and confirm that it is strong enough. Then we are done with this stand. So I get another stand for the other side. This is the stand. Make sure that the locker faces the lock point. The locker faces the lock point. This one here. The rotation pad. We affix the stands onto the rotation pad like that. I get my rings or my nuts. I'm not a mechanic. I don't know how these things are called. Let me call them nuts. Then you tie. Even you do the same thing here.
Where entrepreneurship belongs, where innovation and creativity of our
Then you tie. Using a spander, you tie it tightly. this one, do the same thing. Now we have finished assembling part of the machine, the stands. But remember, we still have other excess stands like these ones. So this stand will be put to this area. Even this one will be put the other area. So these are the nuts that will hold these stands firmly. Have one nut here, here, and you have another nut here. You have another nut here, and another one here, making them four nuts. So I get these other stands of the machine. Remember I said this one goes for this, like this. And I get my nut, I affix it there from this end. Then I get another one. So also this part, this one sits here like this. I open my nut, then from this side, also get another nut. Then I use a pair of tongs to tighten the nuts. I use a pair of tongs to tighten the nuts. The same thing here. How to make sure that the nuts are tightened. It's better use a spander because the pair of tongs ends up brushing on the nuts. The same thing here. Now here you can notice that our machine is properly assembled. Now how are we going to turn it upright? Now for you to turn it upright, you first rotate these stands like this. You will need someone to help you to do this. So as one of the persons is lifting the machine, another person is rotating the stands like this. You rotate the stands. Then you lock it with the locker. So we can turn it upright now. I remove the locker like this, then I turn it upright.
Of our minds displayed by beauty of the flower.
Yeah, now we are done. This is our machine.
Start up, start up, start up, start small.
Now this is the machine locker. If I remove it like this, the machine can rotate upside down. For instance, for me to unmold the chalk sticks. If I press it back, the machine sits upright. These are the tray holders, these ones. I press them here like this. Even this one, this side, here like this. Then I press my tray on top of them, like this. Just in case, if I reach a point of unmolding my chalk sticks, and I unmold like this, turn my machine upside down. So remember, I'll be having my chalk inside. So when I bang the machine like this to unmold the chalk sticks, the chalk will be falling onto the tray.
And to take the risks, but mind a lot, balance the